We send them on, yeah. Boy dead like straight dog. You remember in the graveyard. Boy, you a punk, you shoot me a go slash. Pussy what you know about booze gaza.
Hey guys, today I just check my friend JJ down the road and see my deal with for a long time. I not hear him up and I don't know what we are gonna do. Me guys, me walk down the road for go meet JJ live right down this way. And up on the hill though. You know, down the road I want calm. So that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, see the house on the hill. It's a good view. Yo! Father! Cho, someone for call me. Finally, brother. No, let me call you. Sleep. Okay, somebody have a forward. Say hi to the vlog. You're gonna get shy. You shy? Why you shy?
I'm up right now.
So you're down right now?
Down right now.
Psh. Yes, so me and JJ there. Isn't me? Oh, I'm gonna go check some.
Somewhere in there.
Remember?
Somewhere there at school.
What time I come in?
9.
Why? You shy?
Yeah, I'm shy.
Why you shy?
I don't know. People have to know why I'm shy.
Yes.
Well, I don't know.
So what you name?
Show me.
You know me?
Please, put another bar.
How do you know me?
Hey? Oh, go on.
Lord, me can't look up on the foot. Me just, boy.
Who not lift up your foot?
Oh no.
Me not do.
Yeah, drag your foot.
At the style.
Where that style come from?
Yeah, see me?
Lift up on the foot. No, it don't sound good.
No, thank you.
Me a walk and you can't hear me a walk.
Because you're a girl, man, for draw them foot, it's too heavy to lift up the foot. You see me? Please stop.
And JJ the next one too. Yeah.
So follow up my tone on you. Mine real still, but not so bad.
Brother, man, to a ball game too, brother.
You're too ugly from ever since JJ.
A ball, son of from ever since me I play ball.
Lie.
You can't play ball, I can't beat you in a ball, my friend.
Yeah, me mad to go before. I play local ball game.
She not have no use, JJ.
I lie, you have to have enough use.
What kind of use?
Think I kept it.
I mean, enough use.
Please, hold the ball, kick ball.
Kick ball.
What kind of use? So where can?
A net ball she play.
Where can you read ball?
I can't kick it, I can juggle it, I can
But them things they alone like.
Yeah, say it again.
say,
I'm not saying it.
why?
I don't feel like it.
What you buy for me? About juice, yeah man, no mad thing man.
I'm not drinking.
So I want to $10 and $15 about juice.
I want here $25 bag juice we use, not $10 and $15 bag juice.
No, I pay about juice them.
Yeah, me.
And the fruit juice, them and about
Poor
juice.
people drink them bag juice.
Say not poor.
No, rich.
Sorry.
3 rich people bag juice.
Get them boy rich people about juice. JJ don't look because you only have money for buy bag juice.
Come on. Buy me a bag juice.
Man, people want money me have
You may like it in my heart.
Most of the rich people bag juice.
$90.
You know what? You hear that? No money.
You can't see. On the nice things. So little cows and the other one.
Poor people bag juice.
But they have them rich people bag juice.
What's it?
This kind of, you know? Now the girls don't know why. Tell them all the rich people bag juice.
Yeah, all rich people bag juice like this. Show him, JJ.
Like this.
No,
But
you
mine
have
have
to
no.
hold the end.
Oh, like the end?
Yeah. And you
Like
take time and suck.
No, we not have that.
Burn up.
No, we here chilling on the UV.
I drink rich people bag juice. How I go and bring on the bone?
Bigfoot. Get yourself some.
Never want to buy any people.
Say, do I buy 2 bag juice?
I'm feel like all of it.
All I want to rich.
All of it are rich.
Yeah, I will get me the car. I buy no really true.
Carry them on liquid down. BMW.
My buy no insurance. Yeah, JJ, you are
Rich people big snack.
rich people big food dad.
Rich people eat big food.
I went to rich people eat big food.
When I eat no food today.
When I eat no food, none at all.
So I only eat.
Sticks.
I don't know if I answer that. That's so hard.
We don't eat cheese balls, man.
We don't eat nothing, we consume food. Consume.
And why not consume?
No, we don't eat. Girls eat, boys consume.
Like that. So where they eating and consuming are the same thing?
No,
Why the difference?
The difference is
boys consume.
we don't take our food through our mouths. No. I'm say that wrong. I'm say that wrong. Yeah.
Nah.
Dirty boy.
Me not do that.
You can this guy. You know want to watch match?
No, go on.
No match at done this so.
Right now, it's a middle big foot.
Come go through the bush. You go watch netball match. Watch for a good job.
Yo, your color 15 with the bush, you know.
This. Yeah,
I don't know track, brother. JJ run God. Let me make him jump and roll down. What? Wait. And nobody could even help me. I'm not wicked. But I'm govern, man. I'm govern. I ain't not rich.
I mean, if I'm not rich. Rich people.
I say, rich people now have one.
Only rich people have so much.
How much that?
Yeah, they are trying to eat my money.
I'm not TV. I'm not even $100 that.
We mean I need $100 this. Another about $100 is silver and gold this. I want to pay.
Move, man, boy. You're cheap, like.
A silver and
You
gold.
can't buy 2 oven food right now.
Look again.
60. I'm
Don't
counting now.
count it. I can make people know I'm too rich.
You're too cheap.
I'm rich.
Real rich.
JJ, look here. Look how much money I have and she talk about my poor. She don't know money, you know. I must say Japan she come from. Watch her. She talk
But
about this
rich.
I'm a friend rich!
What you have? She not she poor.
So that's how I have no.
Yo, you're not a silver. Do the math. My friend
Paper no money, brother. You want
Video? No, man.
Don't know, we here, chilling. We have nothing to do. Peter,
Yo,
Z.
I watch some netball. I want that one watch.
Campus full as usual. And over here boring.
So what do you think we have got the other way
You know,
about?
we for the over there, so you know. Over there, so you see the fence. But she make we waste energy.
So them don't know direction.
Them don't know.
Yeah, go and suffer, brother.
But I'm not gonna
You know, they have for carnival. Oh, you for miss carnival.
Yeah, go and some mad, bro.
She mad.
You
She
know
mad.
JJ, you know her?
We don't know her. We don't know her. I'll go back up at the bush. Romy, lead the way. You know, I hear a place.
Don't try to stand me.
A rich
Rich people don't take bush.
For rich people do.
I'm
Rich.
going to hire a car to bring me over here.
No, I just fly over.
Actually, let's see my money. I'm going to go for my money again. You're a fool.
Yeah, show us here, rich.
I'll read money here. The one here, $1 million. See how much number they on it? You have 8. Some other money. Stop touching
You
me.
know the sense, yeah?
Yeah.
But rich people.
And people with a phone like them, yeah. Rich. Sure.
Real rich.
I'm not have it.
No, check out that one.
Feel like you want style, man. Feel like you want style, man.
No, sir.
Right now, I buy the whole of the bush here.
So, bye. So, we are going yard. You know. You know. Oi. Black man. Sorry, brown and you. Rich.
Yeah, you.
Oh, I never know. I listen to music. Yeah, them know.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. So, me, I walk out the middle of the road. Like...